this right here, right? And the monthly too. But yeah, this 4 hours to close bearish. So maybe like the same as yesterday, huh?
Yes.
Like this most likely gonna come down just like this. If this is closes bearish, come down to this support.
If you open 30 minutes, it's just ranging.
30 minutes, yes. But it did come down, make a support, and it's going up now.
So if 30-minute closes above that area, the resistance, then we can see
Yeah,
a buy.
I know, but we have to look at the 4 hour as well. The 16 minutes is gonna close.
Yeah.
But like sells, I don't think I would like sells. No, like even though it's gonna come down here, I would want to take it up instead. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mhm. Check the
Check the what?
pullback. This pullback from that
I
resistance.
know. It went to the right to the wick.
Not the 1 hour here.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and check the news right now.
There was a speech at 8:30.
Yeah, the ECB press conference, Philly Fed manufacturing, and unemployment claims. What is it? It's bad. So less forecast is good. Okay. Wow. So it's good.
Yeah.
So GU should be going down.
But that Chinese indicator says like USD is weak today.
The Chinese indicator.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Everything's weak today. Oh.
No, US. Yeah.
Okay, pound is strong. US is weak.
Yes.
But like, I don't understand why. It says unemployment claims is good. It should be good for the currency. Yesterday it was good, right? If you guys remember the dollar, yesterday was getting strong as fuck. So right now there's the scenario of say the 4 hour closes bearish, then the next 4 hour it's gonna most likely come down here to the main support. If it respects it, it's gonna go back up to retest this high. Otherwise, if we get a break, then we just gonna wait for it to go up a little bit and then possibly come back down and pick it up. Path?
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
So if you see, like, it's ranging right now,
Yes.
and I made this supports and resistance on 30 minutes today. And the thing is, like, I was thinking, like, if this current zone is broken towards the upside and the candle goes up to 36,350 area,
Mm-hmm.
36,350. So, but then we have the first target on the 30 minute, that resistance, which is at 410, or it can go up to the next target, which is the monthly target, 375,550.
37550. Yes.
Yeah, so it can go up to. So, but I was thinking, like, if this current the next candle breaks these wicks, which are around 30 minutes, so you think, like, taking a buy is wise here, if we get a candle going up to 37,350 area?
Yeah, like it's best if you either wait for a candle to close right here above this range.
Okay,
Yeah, or
so
even
you
above
mean
here.
any 15-minute closing above there?
15, I would say, yeah. 15 is
Okay.
better. Yeah.
Okay, and then we can take a buy. And the same way, like, if we are looking for a sell, so if a candle closes below 37,100, that 30-minute support here, yeah, this one here. If any candle closes below this area, then we can take it to the target, and it should be like 15 pips.
Yes, but honestly, I wouldn't want to take a sell.
So okay.
Yeah. Even if I could get something, but like I want to go with the trend.
Okay.
Yeah. Unless if it's just the following day to day, then we'll see how it goes. I could manage it.
Yeah. So yesterday we had that issue, like, one candle closed bearish.
Yeah. The
And
15
4
minute,
hour.
right?
Sorry.
The 15-minute, the one we took entry in.
Yeah.
It went up and closed. Came
So
back
let's
closed
see
bearish.
today how it works out. Okay.
Yeah.
Nuran,
Yes.
Ali just messaged saying that can you ask Nuran to set his mic? He really can't hear you properly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on YouTube.
I hope you could hear me now. Ali, let us know in the YouTube chat or cause same setting.
So yeah, okay. Do you want me to explain my chart?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can't see my chart. You have got something else on the
Sorry.
screen. Okay, so this is ranging between the zone. My bias would be buys, even though it's going to be a little tricky because we are already at the highest. But if it does, I would want it to close a candle above the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour resistance. We have approximately you know till the wick, the top of the wick, we have a range of, let's say, 12 pips to play around. And if it goes further, then we have like a 20. The purple line is basically, I was looking at on the monthly, there was a sort of a support that was created somewhere back in 2018. That's the nearest that I can see. And then we have furthermore. But I think if it has to go, it should go till that. On the downside, you can see how I think it's gonna work, if it works.
Yes. Yeah, same thing we talked about. But do you think it's gonna break this 4-hour support?
That's what I'm saying. So if we have to take a sell, if you really want itching for a sell, I would say a candle should close below 37 100 area or 3709 area.
Yeah.
And then bring it down. You have a 10 pip range pretty much. You can take your 5 pips out. But I would want to see some sort of confirmation on a 30-minute, because it's uptrend situation and we're waiting for a downtrend. So I would want a candle at least 15-minute to close below and then break it.
Yes.
from 37 100.
Yeah, 37 100 area, this area.
Okay.
Because it has been respected by different, like if you look at on the left around in London session, um, like not London session, sorry,
Yeah, it was London session.
it was London session, yeah. So it has been respected around that time. Even yesterday, this area was respected.
Yeah. This 30 minutes gonna come down and break this 30-minute low.
Wow.
Yeah, last minute.
Rejection.
Like the only regret that I would want to have, I don't want to have is I don't want it to keep falling all day because I want to take buys like from this support or from up here. I just don't want it to keep falling like down. Like then I'm gonna really miss out on the move.
But you see, it hasn't tested its high yet, right? So it will try to test it anytime. It could be today or could be tomorrow as well. We don't know.
Yeah.
Just if you look at, in essence, it's been going up since yesterday afternoon,
Yes.
right? So I think a little correction should be expected. However, GJ is not coming down, so
Wow, an hour closed doji.
30-minute close below that, above that support that I created. Now it's trying to break it.
So since the 4 hour close bearish, the next 4 hours most likely 70% chance gonna continue going bearish.
Yeah.
And if it breaks the 4 hour wick, you want to enter?
But like the range, it's not. I mean, there's about 17 pips. We could probably get around 10 pips, but then it's going against the trend. Counter trending.
But trend is
Our friend.
yeah, but trend is bearish right now. Like 4 hour is a bearish, other 4 hour breaks it.
Yeah.
So that's the mistake we made yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It has broken the 4 hour
Where
now.
you
It
want
has
to enter?
broken. I'm thinking to enter.
Yeah. We could do it.
But it's just wait a minute. Now the only thing is, my only concern is it might create an upper 4 hour wick.
Yeah.
You know?
I know. And the 1 hour close bullish.
Okay, let's wait for the 15-minute how it closes.
Yeah, at least 15
Yeah.
minutes to close.
That's what I'm saying. If we miss it, we miss it, no problem. But let's at least one candle close below that, which I initially mentioned that it should close below that little zone.
So let's just 15-minute close and then take a trade.
Yeah, Farhan, no FOMO.
Yeah. Trust me, if you miss it, we'll get another move.
Yeah. Test. Yeah. Just that this area for here for me, it's kind of, it's not easy.
Yeah. As I said, it's been respected by.
So 4-hour, it's broken.
Yeah. If it goes to the body of the 30-minute candle, previous 30-minute and flips, then at least we can say we got the upper wick of the 4-hour to go bearish.
Yeah, we'll wait and see. Because yesterday I talked about something like when this 4-hour closed bearish, the next 4 hours it could come down and break the low and then go all the way up. So it might do that today. You guys remember?
Yeah. Well, yesterday it came all the way down.
Yeah, I know. But this was in my head. This support here. I thought it was gonna make it around New York, but it took a day.
Yeah.
So it's gonna probably fill the hourly wick.
Or a 30-minute body. Because if you open 30-minute, there's like this area is also sort of a resist. Yeah. This area.
Yes, exactly.
This area.
It's a mini. You can create a mini support and resistance phase.
Because if you look at it, and it's been ranging between these two zones.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 pips each range. And to be honest, there's a range here too where you mark your sell curl.
Here.
Yeah, but on a 15-minute, on 30-minute, it's clean. It's clean in a way that it made its support. But, I mean, went high, made a new high, came down, made a support, then retested it and gone further. But it hasn't really done it after that.
Yeah. Maybe he's doing it now on the 1 hour. Guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, I'm looking if Naran comes. You see, we have the unemployment claims that came good for the US dollar, right? So usually it takes its course after some time. So there is a possibility that it will start falling.
If this closes bearish and next 15-minute breaks it, it's a good confirmation. So what do you think?
Wait a minute, sir. Don't you want to wait for it to close below the...
Then you don't have like much range left.
10 pip range, but I think if it... Okay, what I think is if it closes below that and the next one breaks it, I think it will not respect this. It will keep coming down. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see now.
Nuran, I was saying, you know, the news came negative, right? Half an hour ago. For no, positive for the US dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so usually it takes its effect after a time. It's unemployment claims, right? They came good. So I think it might take its effect in a while and come down.
Probably New York Open.
Have to keep that in. Yeah, keep that in mind too.
Yes. It says U.S. jobless claims fell only slightly just last week to 900,000, just as Joe Biden begins his first days as president. Wow. And there goes it goes.
It's back in the range.
Yes, sir. Let's just see if this goes up, come down to here. Oh yeah, it's gone. Nice. Let's go for buys, you.
Did it close above that?
Yay. If this 15 minutes goes above, then we get the next one come down a little bit, breaks that high.
Oh,
What's that?
so I'm just talking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yesterday, like what made me also take the trade, it's because of this, like the DXY, the dollar index. There's a lot of clean traffic on here on, I think it was 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour. You see, super clean. So I knew the dollar was gonna fall and the pound would go up. And now it's going. It's going. It's going. rejecting, huh?
Yeah.
Now, for example, it goes down and breaks the previous 15-minute.
Sorry, if I don't know what you say. It's gonna go down for breaks the 15 minute.
No. I'm just asking, like, if it does that and breaks the previous 15-minute, then it's kind of it's a huge rejection on 30-minute, right?
Yeah. From resistance.
Yes.
I'm just gonna have to see how this 30 minutes close. If it closes down back into the range.
What's it?
Oh, Sean is here. Nice.
Shan is here since morning.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Hey, Sean, how are you?
Good, thank you. I'm a bit occupied.
That's okay.
You guys haven't traded yet, right?
Sorry, what's that?
You guys haven't traded yet.
No.
If a candle closes above this zone, so I might not wait for a candle to break it.
If it breaks above the
If it
zone,
closes, yeah, and closes above the zone.
you're not gonna wait for the candle to break it?
Yeah, because then the thing is we have a limited area to play around, and then in that way, probably our stop loss are going to be smaller too. If it comes back in the range, and 15-minute comes back in the range and closes, so I'll probably close my position. At least I'll cut my stop loss small.
Yeah.
To manage your risk, man, I have learned it.
Yes. For sure.
I mean, the thing is, we can wait for a break for the can, but this itself is a confirmation that this has closed above that zone, right? So, in a way, it's a confirmation.
Yes. Yeah.
We have
This
5
one,
more minutes.
this one should go.
Are we waiting? Are we gonna enter if it breaks all the candles, or
I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close.
yeah, above the range, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. It taps into the almost to the body. Oh, it's coming down. Like, see, yesterday I didn't even see none of this bullshit. I didn't even see it going flip it up or down like this.
Mm.
It
And last night, right?
Yeah, we're just going, just one direction, non-stop. So yeah, this one's gonna close below this range. The next 15 minutes, if it comes down, it's gonna and breaks, it's gonna fall down to the main support.
And if the current wick is broken, the current 4-hour wick, then
Yeah, like if this comes down to the low, it's gonna continue falling down even further. And we're gonna get New York open just in 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. So if you guys remember, this is kind of like the trade we took yesterday. It went up, we kind of got into a buy, and then we didn't secure. I did secure and then it came down. So if this closes here and the next one breaks, it's falling. We could anticipate sells if it breaks this low. That way the stop loss would be smaller.
But if you look at 30-minute, we're still in that range, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you wanna wait for it to close below that.
Yes.
At least I would do it.
Yes, you should do that.
wow. See that new wick how it created? Just in a second.
Yeah. So the 30 minutes, it could just respect this line and go.
Go up.
It could, yeah, or it could just break below. Because this is, you see this, the previous one closed above this like range. And
Only
this
I
one,
like one thing about these zones, like as soon these zones are broken, it moves fast.
yeah.
So let's see in which direction it goes.
Just look at the stock market. Stock market is blue.
All blue. Yesterday it was blue, then it closed red.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But I was up yesterday. Like it was blue for some of the companies that I had.
Okay.
I don't know. It should be below this whole week because of Biden, but I don't know. Even unemployment claims was good for the dollar. This should go be blue right now, everything, but looks turning red.
Yes. Same thing happened yesterday. Like I'm talking about Canadians, not like
Yeah,
US stock.
yeah.
They were blue in the morning, but they closed red. They open at 9:45 here.
9:45.
Yeah,
Oh,
the Canadian stock.
it's weird.
Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah,
They just like to sleep in a little bit.
yeah. They want to see how the US is.
Yeah,
They decide.
exactly.
We'll be back in a second, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, we might be able to get buys. 4 hour about to flip, but there's a chance this current 30 minutes respect the body of the 30-minute. But honestly, this looks like the same almost trade we took yesterday.
So it's still in the range, right?
Yes.
So if it closes below the range support, then we're looking for a sell, right?
Yes. If it closes below, then we're taking sells.
Below, or even what about if it just breaks the previous 30?
Let's see. Yeah. If it breaks the previous 32.
Because on 4 hour it's the perfect setup for a sell. It
Yeah.
respected the, it went to the body of the 4 hour, respected the higher high.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh shit. I was mute all this way, and I said, I said let's wait for 15 to close, and I think Noran said something too that 15. I thought you were saying because I said you're condemning what I've said that let 15 minutes to close, but I've just realized I was on mute. So I was
Yeah.
saying I would wait for 15 to close. We keep making this mistake again and again, and it gets on us.
Yeah, but Farhan, what he was saying, he's anticipating the 4 hour basically.
I
Flip,
know it. I totally agree, but
but but what?
Okay, let's this scenario it is doing it. I agree, right? But
Yes.
But then again, the 4 hours has just started, so it might play in the range before finally going down.
Yeah.
This might not be it.
Yes. Well, this kind of has 4 minutes to close. It's gonna close below.
I mean, we trust me, we will still get a move somewhere or another. Why to get into a trade?
Yeah.
See what it's doing right now. It's coming and it's flipping back, coming and flipping back. So this is my worry right now.
Yeah.
What if it comes, breaks it by a little pip, and then goes back,
Yeah.
and we are in the trade, right? So to be honest, today I'm gonna, even if I miss the trade, I'm okay, no problem.
Nice. That's the discipline.
Good.
Yeah.
Good job, Omar.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks, guys. It's not me talking. It's about my fucking account talking right now.
Wow. The top of the 30 minutes, no wick.
Yeah. So confirmation like it's not going up.
Yeah. If it closes with no wick. But you already know this could flip in a minute.
It's the only issue it's having right now is the flip of the 4 hour.
Yes.
That's why it's bouncing back again and again.
Yeah. This 1 hour, the previous one closed like on a support.
Yeah. Tran, you think too much about the 4 hour.
Yeah.
It's like your
No,
second
I'm
love,
just saying
right?
that.
Always talk
Yeah.
about 4 hour.
Because it's cleaner. It looks cleaner. The cleanest candles.
I know, but then we're not trading on 4 hour, right? We just need one confirmation from 4 hour and that's it. I mean, the thing is, that's where, I mean, you see, they're two different. Otherwise, we do what Uncle Ted does. He matches all the time frames. Daily is 4 hour. No, sorry. Daily is bearish. 4 hours bearish. 1 hour, and then you trade. If he doesn't find the same setup, he will not trade that day and come back the next day. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's what he says. So
Yeah. But we are doing the counter trend right now from the daily and
that's what I'm saying. So right, we have to. So see what Rakil does. He would just come and make these sort of things. Like according to him, that's a perfect scenario. If it breaks above that, we'll take a buy. If it breaks below that and closes, we'll take a sell.
Yeah.
yeah. I'm
If you
just
don't want
waiting
to,
for the same.
yeah, if you don't want to wait for 30, we can at least wait for 15, right?
Yeah. I just don't want the next half an hour to just go down. Like it breaks and it just drops, and we're not gonna get a candle to close below the.
Okay, then what you can do is just wait for it to come back, make a
support.
go up. It's a resistance, make us resistance up again.
Yeah.
Which it
And-
did. Like technically, if you see, then I will talk again about 4 hour. It broke the previous 4 hour.
Yeah.
It went up, created resistance, and now coming down. So the 4 hour is broken, and then now you go to 15 minutes or 30.
Technically, the 4 hour is already broken. If you look at it.
I know, it's broken. So it broke it. It went up to create the resistance,
The wick.
and to go down further.
Yeah.
So if that current candle on 4 hour wick is broken, the purple line which Nuran has created at 7071.
Yeah.
So I want to enter. If that is broken.
Yeah. Then there will be faster move.
Yes.
But I would get in also if it just closes here, just below.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. If it closes, then I'll get
Closes
it.
here, or if it is not closing.
Yeah, it's not closing. You're right. Yes.
And it's going, then I think so. I will enter.
You're right. Right, Omar? You gonna enter too?
I'll see how it's moving.
Or you want it to
also
close?
depends. Sorry, I would wait for it to close and.
I'll wait for the 5 minutes to close.
Yeah.
Let's go to the 5 minutes now. Perfect. If the 5 minutes is closing below, I'm getting it.
We'll see. Just ranging right now. But this 15 minutes should tap into this resistance, fall down.
Lauren, if you open 5 minutes, they're they're moving so good in their particular range.
Yeah.
See?
Tap. Tennis.
Yeah. They look so good.
Sean? Is Sean there?
Yes,
Where are you, man?
working. The market is good today anyway.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, see the 30 minutes respected the body and the low.
Yeah. Who wants to take a sell from the top?
No. It's not coming back down. I don't think so. Yes.
You guys will be entering if it breaks 1 hour
Breaks 1 hour.
on the top side.
This one here. The second one.
Yep.
Mm,
Or wait until 37, 33.
Open the 15-minute.
yeah, 37 would be better. But if we get something to close above, then we could enter. Open 15-minute. Yeah. Next one comes down. Tap here. Fly.
What was that one candle that was bearish? Was it monthly or which one was it?
Bearish.
There was, you were going through some candles and there was one that has broken the previous bearish.
5 minute. 1 minute.
One. Yeah, this one. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, so the 1 minute just closes above, like here, because you see all this is just a range.
Oh, come on, man.
No, it's true. Like if we do get it this minute to come up here above all these resistance, then that's a solid confirmation, you know, to continue going up.
What about 5 minutes? And open 5 minutes. Let's see.
5 minutes looks good.
Yeah, the 5 minutes too. If the 5 minutes goes above these
Yes.
resistance,
You can wait for the 5 minutes too if you really want to.
you can. But I don't know what it's doing right now. I just hope it doesn't range all day.
GG is going now to test the high. I think so.
Nice.
Look at 15 minutes.
So clean. Oh wow.
Right?
Yeah. What
It's
the
going till 142.32 if it breaks this area, at least, or. But there's a support that was created, so let's see. Farhan, imagine people still holding cells in GJ.
I'm just curious, like why didn't we enter for the bias then when we saw it breaking above?
Because it was in the range.
It was in the range. But the one thing good was if you see it broke, if you look at the 30-minute, there was a fake out and the next candle came and closed back in the range, and when it was breaking it, that's where you could have entered on a 30-minute on GJ.
Mhm.
But that's okay.
Yes. In the market, you get paid to wait.
Yes. I've given enough to the market for not waiting. That's it.
I have given too much in this month.
What's that for?
I have given too much in this particular month.
It's okay. You'll get it back next month. And more.
I hope so.
You will.
This was real good.
Wow, I think this is the longest we ever waited with no trade.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. I like it when we don't take a trade.
Yes. I'm sure Shan must have taken a couple of already on the gold by now. Right, Shan?
Sean destroyed the market today. That's why he's quiet. He's like, I already made my profit.
Yeah. You guys are right, yeah.
Shan, you took a sell on gold?
Where is the sell on gold?
Well, probably in your books there might be one. That's what I'm saying. When it broke the previous 50.
Oh wow, yeah. So clean.
Okay, go back to gold. Just want to say something. So in this sort of scenario, let's assume when went up, made a new low, went up, tested this purple line, and then this next candle broke it, right? On the 15, the current 15. This is some sort of trade that I would probably take, thinking that now it has made a resistance, and I would take an impulse entry. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
But not when it's ranging like this.
Man, it looked like this is perfect. The 4-hour came, tapped into this resistance, and just came down.
Yeah.
This is nice. Juice pushing up.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
a
sir,
little
we
bit
can.
far.
Are you talking from your basement?
No. I just changed the headphones, so I wasn't sure like if the mic works.
Oh, yeah, it works. But you just a little bit far.
Yeah.
Now it's better?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Noran, are you getting that cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Omar just kills me.
What is
He's like, "You
what's the funny thing about it?
He's
Because
like,
from nowhere I mentioned about it, right?
no, you're saying you're talking from the basement. How is he gonna talk from the
Then from
basement?
the basement he went to all
No,
the way to the cake.
I knew he could not do it. That's why I was just trying to wind him up. That's it. Because he was too far, right? So
So be there at 3 o'clock, I think, right? Or 4 or 5. I don't know what time it.
I
Yeah,
mean,
4 is good.
4 is good.
Yeah, because I know if I say 3, you guys will come at 5. If I
Yeah.
say 4, you guys will come at 6.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, I'll come at 4. If it's 4, I'll come at 4.
yeah.
Last time I was
okay.
there at what do you call it?
So just ask
Noran's.
Rocky like how he wants to come. Like he wants to come with you guys or what?
Oh,
I would
okay.
still say everybody to their own.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay. Yeah, that is fine.
Just in case we get stopped.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Otherwise, we make him
True.
a kill pay.
So what you can do is if you have a cake with you, can somebody stops you, you can just say that, you know, um, we make cakes and
I'm going for the delivery.
I'm going for the delivery. We make cakes and I'm making it cake and delivering it.
Yeah, I could say that.
Yeah.
Put my address on it. Say I'm going to the Stony Creek for a delivery.
That's all I'm gonna do.
Yeah, and Farhan, you can just message me your address and say whatever I'm bringing. Just say that order is confirmed. Just do text me. I'll have a proof. I'll say that I'm
And
going for a conversion.
he will be like, wow, you're coming from all the way
For a
from
cake.
Yeah,
there
no,
to deliver for a cake.
Custom
I'll
made.
say, I'm gonna say that the situations are really bad. There's no work. Even if I have to go to Kitchener or wherever, I'll still go. Extra $50.
Has to make cake for a living.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make him so emotional. I was like, you guys are lucky you have a job. We are struggling.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell them, can you guys? You can't believe I went to Smith's Fall yesterday to deliver a cake.
So far.
That will be a special cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But guys, just be careful about parking all of the cars outside
Yeah.
for Han's house.
No, I have few places they can park around.
Visitor parking, right?
Nobody cares. Yeah,
Yep.
on the main road,
Yeah.
like just outside the compound, you can just park there. It's better not to park it within the compound in the visitor parking. Just park it on the roads because most of the time, like everyone who has the extra car parks it there. So
Okay. Well, that makes sense. Because if you park at the visitor,
yeah,
means that's
but
actually you're visiting.
there's a visitor. Exactly.
Makes sense. So you guys want to enter when it breaks the 1 hour, or would you want to wait for something to close above?
I would wait for something to close above at least 15 minutes. At least 5 minutes.
Okay.
Look at 5 minutes, open 5 minutes. Yeah, there's not a single 5 minutes that's closed above, right? There was only one and it came down.
Yeah.
So
I just hope though that 5 minutes doesn't do this. Goes whoop.
no. Ooh, where's our Oud today?
Man, tired.
Let me ask Nawaf, did he get his results?
Takes few days, I think. What if he's like, I just finished doing the test?
Umar,
Yes, sir.
check the story for Ted right now on Instagram.
Sorry?
What? What happened to Uncle Ted? Shit. It's making me go check. Farhan.
Yeah, I think it's Farhan that's breaking up.
Yeah. Mr. Farhan.
Yep.
What were you saying?
Like I was saying, like check the story for Ted on the Instagram, saying we called out the trades for GJ and gold on the stream.
Yesterday?
When did he say that?
Sorry?
It was yesterday's story, right?
Yeah.
No, today.
He hasn't
Yesterday
posted
or
any
today?
stories. It was yesterday.
Okay, that's yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, that was yesterday.
So
Farhan, you just know you're breaking up.
Rocky with the
No, we didn't hear you. You said so Rakil.
Rocky.
I only heard Rakil again.
Buy after
No, you're cutting up really bad. Omar, can you hear me? Good?
Yeah, I can hear perfectly.
Yeah, Farhan, your internet or maybe your microphone. No.
He actually is talking from his basement.
No, I'm not talking from the basement. It's my internet today.
Oh.
Why would I go to the basement? The whole
Come
house
on,
is
man, I'm
empty.
kidding.
It just sounds far.
It just sounds far.
Yeah.
And it's cutting out.
No, it's my internet today. I don't know what's the issue with it.
Yeah. Sometimes you, me, Omar. Sean has good internet.
there are less people in Swiss Falls, so they don't stream a lot.
That's true.
Are we entering?
Once it closes above.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we should wait for the 15. There's only 6 minutes left. So,
Yeah. And if you want to wait for 5 minutes to close, then wait for the next 5 minutes to break it at least.
yeah.
Otherwise, I would still say wait for a 15. The rest is up to you guys. I'm waiting for a 15 to close.
Okay.
No, sorry, France, stop it. You keep asking and then you keep, you've asked this question like 7 times. Now I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
It makes you change like the bias. Oh, shit. Oh,
That's okay. That's okay.
I know. I'm looking at it.
It's
on
15,
the 5.
15, 15. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so this 5 minutes gonna close. I'm gonna enter once it closes.
It closes. 5 minutes closed.
Well, but 15 is still under that range. Just think about it. Open 15 minute.
It's above, kind of.
Yeah, but guys.
Guys, have you entered yet?
Yes.
Not me.
Not you?
No. I'm waiting for 15 to close.
Nice.
I should probably go up.
Damn.
I just wanted to avoid this fucking stress.
Wow. What the fuck?
If Rakil was sharing this trade, he would have closed 50%. The 5 minutes have broken the previous low. Just saying.
What do you want to enter now?
Oh, come on, man! It is rejecting.
No, it's not rejecting.
Okay, well, I would want it to close. It's okay. Nobody can talk me through to this today. No. I would rather not trade than lose.
Come on, man! It's not fun losing money without your friends.
No. I've done that previously. I was like, oh, they're in, so just be. So I can be a good support, guys. No problem. Anyways. But it's to be honest, it's even if I would have went, I was going very small because, but it's not about that. It's about just screwing my own confidence. Just don't want to do it. I might enter if it breaks the previous 15.
Nice. Oh, come on. Okay.
Yes, I will enter when it breaks the previous 15, and I'll tell you why. Because this previous 15 went up, closed back in the range. So if it had to go down, it would have gone down. But if it's coming back up again and breaking, it means now it is going to go up. Otherwise, it's clearly showing that it went up, got rejected, closed back in the range. So it's in order for it to come down, it needs to respect the previous 15. Otherwise,
Otherwise,
We'll come down, guys. I would say if it breaks the previous 15, come out.
okay.
Get into cells.
No, what the hell?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sean, are you in the trade?
Yeah,
It's only me who's
It
not.
will, yeah, it will go up, Umar.
Okay. I'll be happy for you guys. Have you closed any of your positions?
No. Yeah, this 30 big rejection.
Mm.
Come on, go up. Let's go. GU. Let's go. GU. Come on, push up.
on, push up.
It's not even that a major resistance.
I know, man. Been respected since 7 o'clock.
Yeah, but it's not like a hourly. I mean, it's close to the hourly resistance, but wow, this 15 minutes probably gonna close above, and that should have been the it candle. Ooh. What do you mean, Mark? Not right now.
Is it broken it?
Yeah, the previous 15.
Actually, my computer has just stopped.
Yeah.
Has it broken it? I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Shit. Three more minutes. I'll still wait now.
Nice trade, Ali. Hey.
Oh, it is closed above the 15. Now I'll get in.
Come on, Gio. Just give us the win today. That's it. That's all we're asking for. Right now it's making 30 minutes wick. Omar, you're in?
Yeah. I got in when it closed above.
Okay. Oh wow, the hourly might close below.
It has broken a lot of picks hourly.
Yeah, to the top, right?
Yeah.
Come on, already. See, no 5 minutes closed above for the bullish candle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Only 15-minute close above.
Sorry, you were cutting off. What were you saying?
Like 15 minutes and 30 minutes close above.
Yeah. But the 5 minute didn't. I mean, it did, but like the confirmation, right?
Yeah. There was only the few though.
Yeah, like if this one closed bearish at the top, would have been okay. Hello? What? What, Farhan?
When we are cutting the
You're cutting off. Can't hear you.
Guys, it doesn't look good.
Yeah.
I hope it's not creating the wick for the 1 hour candle.
It's ridiculous. Wow. Let's go, GU. It came down, tapped into the 30 minutes body, and went up. Let's go. Come on. Don't let us down.
Yeah.
Let's go. Everyone on YouTube, if this goes, you better subscribe. You better give it a like. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I need some music. "15 minutes closes above." Beautiful.
Didn't. Stupid.
Ooh,
Holy.
it's
Let's
doing
go.
it now.
Let's go. Nice.
Go up now.
What's that?
It should go up now.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yep.
Let's go, baby. If you guys took this trade, give it a like, subscribe, and share. It's brought to you by. Ooh.
I was about to close it. Shit.
Me too. It's gonna go. Shit. No of his results came negative.
Yeah.
He's not having a baby. We should probably get the target reached by 11. So now I'm gonna bring my position to break even.
You closed some?
Yeah. The whole time I was closing custom, close custom, like the close custom is like a percentage that you set. It was at 25%. I put it 15. You know, so 15% each time pushed up. I closed 15.
Oh, okay. I'm stopped out.
Wow.
Stupid.
Wow.
And it missed
Hmm?
my take profit by a couple of points. Okay,
Wow.
it closed me out.
What the hell is happening? Shit.
Waste of time.
Farhan, you didn't close?
Yeah, I closed half, but it's like break even now with this negative.
Shit. It's so annoying.
Anyone wants to go into sales?
Nah.
I'll share my results. I'm glad I managed the risk.
Nice.
My trade was less hectic, I would say. I mean, it did go to my target pretty much, but after it stopped me out.
Man, that was annoying. That was annoying.
Holy fuck, you went 2 lots?
Yeah, man, and it was like 70 profit, but then I'm not gonna use this close half bullshit. Close custom. Should have closed all of it.
Oh, so the first position was this, that you took last night.
Yeah.
Second one was right now. Holy shit. So how much negative did you see on you?
Negative?
Yeah.
When it first dropped,
Yeah.
it was like shit, 150 or something.
Holy.
But then I
You
did
already-
see like 70, 85, you know, and then I was closing half, or like 15%, right? And then I don't know how I ended up with what I ended up. That just didn't make sense, this pullback.
Yeah.
Like, it came last 3 minutes and broke the low when it was already at a target, like resistance. Wow.
Okay, guys, I'm off. I will catch you guys tomorrow.
Okay, Farhan. See you tomorrow.
Okay, take care.
Peace.
Okay.
Bye, Banram.
Why you always mix my name?
I don't know, man.
You tell Nawaf, Noran. I'm Nawaf. Farhan is me.
Yeah.
No, that was really annoying. For the position that I went in, I saw a lot.
I know. Probably $100 for sure.
In profit, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Greed, man. Greed. But good thing you didn't cut in loss, man. That could have been worse. Tomorrow you'll probably. I think it just didn't play out the way it should have because we were right on our resistance. You have to understand this too, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was on a very major resistance.
Yes.
And I think we got till the resistance where we were aiming for. Just let's say just a half pip away.
Man, watch like the next candle, because this one seems like I'm making a support. So the
Your
next one-
target, your
yeah.
first target.
Yeah.
I think the next candle is going to break it and come down. I have a feeling. It has touched that. It has retested that area which it created before.
So
The
people.
30 minutes close back in the zone.
Yeah.
Okay, now here's my thing. If it breaks the previous 1 hour on the lower side, we can get into sells.
Yeah, but I don't know. I think I'm good. I'm done trading. I'm just gonna be over trading.
Yeah, just
But-
second trade.
Yeah, for you, like yeah. If it breaks this low, it should come down to the support. But right now, it's just like risky, cause it's back in the range too, you know.
Yeah.
It could break it and then go up.
I doubt it because it has been rejected really heavily.
Mm. I don't know why Farhan didn't close most of the position almost at a target.
Yeah. For me, it just screwed me over with my like I saw 5 pips, then it came down. So when I saw again the 4 pips, I closed half of it, and then the remaining half I brought it on break even.
Yeah.
I'm glad I brought it on break even. I mean, it did go back to 5 pips again, but that's okay, Don't mind. Because today it didn't work, but I'm sure it will work tomorrow.
Yeah. For sure.
And the thing is, when I got into my entry, when it closed above the 15 minutes, I didn't see a lot of drawdown, probably a couple of pips.
Hmm.
That's why I wanted to avoid the.
But it still happened.
Sorry?
But it still went to like drawdown, right? Like it fell. When you
Yeah,
waited for the
few
15?
pips. Yeah, but no. What do you mean when I waited for the 15?
When you waited for the 15 to close above, this one came down.
Yeah,
Yeah. I think it was the. Where was it? I think right here, and then just went down and then went up. And it came down. Wow. See, I told you, like it just came down, made a support. This goes above here. The next one breaks it, goes to target.
yeah. We will wait for it to close above and break it. Or we can say it was making an upper wick for an hour.
Guys, you're still hanging around?
I'm leaving right
Yeah.
now. I'm starting early today for my work at 2 o'clock.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna head out and I have to get some things done. Yeah. Omar,
Good
you
break.
gonna hang out here?
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out. I'll see if I'm hanging around because I'm working at the same time, right? So
Yeah. I could leave the Zoom.
but that's okay, no problem. You can close it. And when you're leaving, you can just close it.
Yeah. Sean, you heading out?
Yeah, I'm working.
Okay.
I'm talking to Omar. He keeps me busy.
I want to know what. Yeah, I want to know if Ferran Klo had like a losing day or he was break even.
Ask him. But just gonna close the stream. People on YouTube, if you took the trade and closing the profit, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow.